Hi my peeps, what's up, wagwan? So guys, here I have some best dressed chicken and I'm gonna do some Jamaican curry chicken. Over here guys, I have some onions, garlic, scallion, thyme, ginger, pepper, and pimento, allspice. Alright, I'm gonna put all of this in, and later you can just fry up, take out some of the garlic and fry up in an oil or whatever you want to do. All right, that's season it up nicely. I have 2 packs of curry. I'm gonna put one now and later I put the other. You kind of marinate and stuff. I think you go take more curry guys. I have this one. I'm gonna add some. Let me just put it one. It's not true because it's weak. It look like it's weak. I'm gonna just put the 2 of them guys. So I use 2. When I'm gonna fry it up in the oil, I add a little bit of that one. We're gonna add some of this all-purpose Maggi. About 2 tablespoons, something like that. And this is my mixed seasoning, all-purpose meat season, all type of seasoning there. I put like a 2 tablespoons, a tablespoon and a half, and that's it. I'm gonna put a little bit of oil to mix it up. I don't have any black pepper guys, but if you have black pepper, you can do that, and that's it. I don't want to cut my pepper up. I think I'm just going to use it like that because you have the seed and all. Oh, that was hard. Alright guys, so this is it. I'm going to let this marinate for about 3 to 4 hours and I'm going to come back and fry it up. Alright, see you later. Alright guys, so this is it. So the curry is looking after. I'm just gonna fry it up and burn a little bit more in the oil. Alright. Then I'm gonna add some carrot and some bell peppers. Later guys. Now I'm gonna pour some oil. The oil in there. And I'm gonna let that hot. Then I'm going to add a little bit of curry to this oil. Not too much, just enough. I don't want it to be too much curry. Something like that. And this is the chicken. And I'm going to pour everything out. Something like this, and I'm not going to add any water. I'm going to keep stir it, and I'm going to put some hot water on the stove or in the kettle before and later once it like fry up somewhat or cook somewhat. And because you put the curry in here, the extra curry, make sure it is good. So you give it a stir. Okay? And after, when you fry up a little bit, I'm going to come back and I'm going to add, you can cut it up smaller if you want guys. And then I'm going to add the carrots and bell peppers, whatever you have for your seasoning. Okay, I'll be back. Alright guys, I'm back. Hot. So you continue to stir it until it fry up some more. It's hot. Hot. See this flame there. I'm going to put on some hot water now. All right, guys. So this is where we add the curry chicken. All right. I'm gonna give it one more stir, and then I'm gonna put the. I'm gonna give it one more stir, then I have my water there. All right. I'm gonna cover it for a few minutes. And turn down the stove. All right, guys. I'm gonna give this like a final stir. Wow. Yes, start with the own gravy. Its own gravy. See that, guys? See that goodness? All right, now I have some frozen mixed vegetable. I'll put that in. I also have some carrots and bell pepper. Guys, at this time, if you have an Irish potato, or a baked bean, you can add it as well. I have neither, so we're just gonna cook this down, make it gravy come down, and that's it. All right, guys, look at it. I didn't put any water in it yet, guys. Can you see that? It's springing its own liquid or water. Can you see that? All right, I have some boiling water here, and I'm gonna just pour a little bit to the side. Just a little bit. Something like that. And we're gonna let this cook down. And that's it, guys. When it's dry down, I'll come back and show you. All right, guys, so this is how it's looking. I'm gonna let it dry down a little bit more, and then that's it. Okay. All right, my peeps, and this is it. So this is my Jamaican curry chicken with white rice, avocado, and some coleslaw. A piece of time, that, guys, time.